Hi, my name is Characterization, and our title is about the material characterization of unknown polymer, and my part is about introduction. Materials can classify by their physical and chemical properties, and material characterization is the process of determining and measuring the physical, chemical, and microstructural properties of a material. Okay, there are three main objectives for our study. First of all, to analyze the crystallography of the unknown polymer composite material. And then second one is to measure the mass change of the unknown polymer composite material, especially for thermal analysis. And the last one is to identify the morphology of the unknown polymer composite material.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Hafzul Rahim bin Muhammad Asri. I am from Arcade 12. Okay, today I want to present the data that we get from XRD analysis. Okay, from the left data, it is SRD plot, and the right is stick pattern. Okay, the component that we found in the unknown polymer composite material is vanadium arsenate. It is complete. It is prepared and complete by dehydration at 400 Celsius. Okay, from the graph, we can see that the highest peak intensity at 2 theta equal to 21.342 respectively. Okay, the diffraction of X-ray is described by Bragg's law equation. In short, the Bragg's equation must be satisfied with information such as the wavelength and the angle of the peak intensity in order to get information of the material such as crystal structure and others. In conclusion, XRD method is used to gain many information of a material for a better understanding of the characteristic of the material. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shazullah Hadiki, and I will proceed with the result and discussion for the morphology of the polymer composite. To study the morphology of the sample, scanning electron microscope aka SEM have been used to obtain the image with the different magnification. Figure 1 until 4 show the highest to the lowest magnification that have been used. From the obtained image, Figure 1 shows that some space between cells can still be observed from it. In Figure 2, broken wall has been appear on the surface of the cell. Continue with the Figure 3 until 4. It shows that a lot of broken wall of the cell has been found. This situation shows that the surface of the sample has been damaged from being tested. To use SEM, the sample needs to be cut into small pieces to fit into the chamber. However, improper cutting technique makes surface of sample damaged. From the image obtained, we can conclude that it has almost spherical and round shape of cell. That's all.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Idris Shafiqal bin Muhammad. This is the result discussion for the AC graph. Based on figure 1, the melting point temperature is at 101.39 and the unknown polymer composite material is 84.61. The next one is glass-transition temperature. From the figure 2, the change in heat capacity causes a kink in the heat versus temperature plot in the glass transition. Okay, the next one is crystallization temperature. This is the crystallization in the plot of heat flow against temperature. Okay, the next one is melting. From a graph, we can see the discontinuity in the plot, and from big graph, we can see a peak of heat versus temperature. Okay, the next one is reaction heat. This one from the graph figure 5, we can see that the onset on the graph is at 121 Celsius and end up with 139 Celsius ultimately from the graph. The left side is the onset and the right side is the end of the graph. Okay, next one is specific heat capacity. Okay, from the figure 6, the formula given, this is the question we had. Last one is degree of the curve. Okay, for this curve, normalized curve using the initial heat capacity as a benchmark. Okay, so from me, thank you.
Hi, my name is Naganantini. My part today is conclusion. To be concluded that the characterization of unknown polymer composite material was determined by using few tests using the objectives. It is determined via characterization that the unknown polymer composite material is vanadilyl arsenate. The study of crystal structure is utilized in X-ray diffractometer, analyzed to examine the crystalline phases present in a material and so give chemical composition information. The typographics of the unknown polymer composite material for the bulk vanadilyl arsenate showed sharp and intense peak, indicating that the samples were crystalline. DSC ensures the measurement of the change in mass of the unknown polymer composite. The melting and crystallization behavior of polymer composite is tested using the DSC equipment. The second heating scan is used for the melting analysis, while the cooling scan is used for the crystallization analysis. The SEM technique is used to visualize the morphology of the unknown polymer composite material. SEM uses a computer system in conjunction with the electronic console, a bulky console with control knobs, CRTs, and image capture device is no longer necessary. In total, appreciation to the fellow lecturers and lab assistants for the guidance throughout this research and experiment. Skills and knowledge gained from this is very beneficial, although most of these goals were derived from previous research on characterization of an unknown polymer composite and student learning. We as a group identified the new goal understanding the complexity and ambiguity of this research and experiment. Thank you.